What's up guys, different kind of video today. Today we're going to be looking at the GHD Helios. Funny enough, that's the name of my laptop, Helios Predator 300. This is my missus's new hairdryer, professional hairdryer by GHD of course. So let's see what it looks like. First opening, first unboxing. And she also got the GHD paddle brush because it was Black Friday, so they give her that for free. She thinks so too. Hairdryer was £143, I believe. So let's have a look. Ooh. What colour is it?
Plum.
It's plum colour. Looks pretty. Looks pretty. Can we get it out then, or we're just going to stare at it? Ooh, gold. We love the gold. Let's see that. Funny shaped. Golden buttons. You've got the speed and the heat, I believe. Yep. Speed at the top, heat at the bottom. No, the other way around. Heat top, speed bottom. And then you've got the nice, beautiful touch. The nice finish there with the GHD. And it also comes with your manual, just in case you don't know how to use a thing. Yeah, and it's got a code on there, but we can't show you that. And it's got a, I'd say 1 meter,
No.
2 meter cable, 1.5 meters. Let's just go with 1.5 meters. So yeah, if you like this video of this beautiful, beautiful hairdryer, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.